Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and the fall time is when we think the most about selling our crafts, online and in craft shows. And there's a lot that we need to know when we are selling our crafts, and especially when we're selling them online. It's definitely a big world out there. Well, there is a book that's going to help us out on selling our crafts online. The book is written by James DeLahey, and it is really all about selling our crafts online. And it starts right from the very beginning, where we get to set up our business, choosing names, and it goes right to the very end, where we are going to do Etsy, run ads, hashtags, everything in between. Setting up your business is a great chapter because this way we are not missing a step. It's talking about taxing, identification numbers, and so on. When we do set up our brand, it is important that we have images, logos, and special fonts. And that is all covered. And that makes our businesses stand out. Throughout the book, he does give us websites that we can refer back to, not only in setting up our business, but throughout the book. Some great tips on selling on Etsy and on Amazon, selling on eBay, all these different areas that we can sell on. We do have a section all about social media marketing and Pinterest, videos, selling with Shopify. All of these different areas are covered, all with some links so that we are able to get started. So we don't have to search for the links. He has them all in the book. Running ads and more links for us. And there's definitely some things that we should avoid. So all of these things are covered in this book. James is a former artist, gallery owner. He's the author of 15 books. He's been on different radio shows and talk shows. And this book really is quite detailed. So if you're looking to sell your crafts, this might be a good book for you to start with. We might as well have someone else do all the work for us, and we can just follow along. So if you're going to start selling your crafts online, or you already do, this is definitely a very good book on resources and help on helping us sell what we want to sell. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. And thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a free newsletter all under So Very Easy. Thanks for joining me today. Bye for now.